you want to call a contractor before you start the planning process, because I am happy to give free consultation, free advice. I pay it forward. There's no expectation of getting the job, but talk to a contractor about what things cost before you get committed to the idea, because architects don't know what things cost. They're the wrong person to ask. Designers are the wrong person to ask. People to ask is a contractor. If a contractor is going to charge $20,000 to do your kitchen, and you say, well, how much do cabinets cost? And I say, well, for your size kitchens, cabinets are going to cost you between $15,000 to $25,000. Well, you can't make that 15 to 25 go to zero. So your overall kitchen renovation is still bottom line 35, but top line 55. You only have so much control over the stuff you're choosing. A lot of the basic costs in renovation are the labor. You as a consumer don't have a lot of control over that. There's a fixed price, but you have the control over what you have to choose. Before you get wrapped up in the project, contact a contractor. Make sure that the overall budget is going to be something you're willing to proceed on.